Alright, here's a quick video on how to remove this upper dash pad from your Obs Ford truck. You need to take the radio out and take off your glove box door. Really just open it, push a tab in here and then there, and it pops out. It just clips in these two areas. I've already taken the clips off the back side of the nuts. They are 10 millimeters. There's one here, there, here, 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 and here. On the back side of your new one, you'll be able to see where they go. You just take it off, pull it out, put the new one in, and put the bolts back in. It's very easy. Less than 5 minutes if you're hoofing it. Nothing to it.